I'm going to be talking about the Honor Pad X9, a mid-range tablet that's definitely worth considering. In this video, I'll be giving you 5 reasons why you should buy this fantastic device. But before we dive in, make sure to check out the link to the Honor Pad X9 in the video description below. The X9 boasts a massive 11.5-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 1200 x 2000 pixels. This means you'll get crisp, clear visuals for everything from watching movies to playing games. Plus, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations feel incredibly smooth. Under the hood, the Honor Pad X9 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 octa-core processor paired with 4 GB of RAM. This combination ensures that the tablet can handle all your daily tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing casual games, you'll experience snappy performance. One of the standout features of the Honor Pad X9 is its massive 7250 mAh battery. This means you can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or working on a project, the tablet will keep you going all day long. To complement the stunning display, the Honor Pad X9 features a surround sound system with 6 speakers. This means you'll get a truly immersive audio experience, perfect for watching movies or listening to music. Despite offering impressive specs and features, the Pad X9 is surprisingly affordable. This makes it a great value for money, especially if you're looking for a powerful and versatile tablet without breaking the bank. Overall, this Pad X9 is a fantastic tablet that offers excellent value for money. With its stunning display, powerful performance, long-lasting battery, immersive sound, and affordable price, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile device. So, if you're considering buying a new tablet, I highly recommend checking out the Honor Pad X9.